Hey, I just wanted to say I am so sorry about you losing your job. I mean, that absolutely sucks, dude. Yeah, man, it has been pretty stressful, to be honest with you. And I have no idea what I'm gonna do for money now. Well, hey, if you ever get that desperate for money, maybe you could start doing some webcamming. You know, get one of those OnlyFans accounts. Oh, that would be hilarious. Yeah, that would be pretty funny. Hello? Oh, huh. Hello? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Man, this room is a little chilly, probably because it's filled with only fans. Okay. We're doing it, huh? Oh, that's cold. Let me set the mood for you guys. Hey, yo, check this out. I'm here for y'all. So if y'all want me to get naked, I'll get naked. What am I doing? This is my butt. So yeah, this figure is probably one of the more valuable ones that I have. I think I pulled my back. Hello? Hey, Mom. Yeah, really not a good time right now. God, that's hot, huh? Yeah, I know today's his birthday. I'm gonna give him a call later, okay? Please, just... So sorry, I just haven't eaten anything all day. Ooh, look at that fry. Big. This is no big deal for me. I am so comfortable with my body. So comfortable. There's my feet. Okay, really gotta go now. Uh-huh. I can't do this. I straight up love having sex. Yo, I am constantly turned on all the time. I'm so insecure. This isn't me. This isn't me. Just go, please, just leave. Man, this thing right here, blessing and a curse. Am I right? It's hair in my mouth. Thanks, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Bye. I'm not doing this. This is so stupid. Such a stupid idea. This is so dumb.